Centralized vacuum cleaner is a new system of cleaning the house. It's consisting in having a remote machine installed in the utility or in a remote area. It's connected to the pipeline that normally is concealed in the wall, false ceiling or floor. And when you need to clean, you just pull out the hose. Connect to the brush sticker with the handle. Press the button. With the wireless, the machine starts and you can collect anything sees on the floor. That through the system is reaching the machine. Anything sees on the floor can be vacuumed and you have your home fully cleaned. The big advantage of this system is that all the air vacuum is then after filtration throughout of the building, giving you a full new fresh air in the home without a recirculation of dusty air going through the filter bag where 100% of efficiency is not there. When you finish, machine is off and the pipe is returning back inside the system. And the system is closed. As additional amenities, we can have in the kitchen a skirting that you can operate with the feet, and anything sees on the floor can be swept. You sweep inside and again everything is going to the machine. And you have your home very clean. We have a residential unit, but we have also industrial unit where we can make a very large surface. Now we are entering this project in Delhi with 30 lakh square feet where 182 operators can simultaneously clean all around the building without interfering each other, due to this automatic system and patent system that we have with a wireless infinity control.